Hey Jake, can you pause that for a minute? What are you looking forward to most about travelling around Australia next year?
Fishing, playing, finding new friends, hunting, minding.
He's just rhyming.
Minding what?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Where are you sleeping?
Snorkeling.
Where are you sleeping?
Swimming in a new caravan getting built. I want something on the back for Dad to find.
Do you remember what it's called?
No.
It's a dinosaur. Royal Flare Raptor.
Rural Raptor.
Say it again.
Rural Raptor.
Hey Han,
Hi.
what are you looking forward to most about next year?
Travelling around Australia.
Yeah.
Let me think about that while I wash the dishes. I'm looking forward to eating fresh fish and fresh mud crabs. You making me a cup of tea by the campfire every night. Swimming, maybe swimming with the crocodiles. And lazing about. You looking after the kids.
Just relaxing, huh?
Relaxing, yes. Sounds good. And following the sun. We need nice hot weather. Hey babe, what are you looking forward to when we travel around Australia next year?
Not having to worry about anything.
What do you mean?
I don't know, just relaxing, waking up, not really caring about what day it is, enjoying the outback, enjoying the sun, not having to worry about anything.
Fair enough.
What?
Hey Mace. Mace, you
What?
turn that off for a sec?
Yeah.
When we go around Australia next year, what are you mostly looking forward to?
No school. Making friends, fishing, hunting, and running around Australia.
Running around Australia?
No, I said driving around.
Oh, driving around Australia. So what do you mean no school?
No school.
At all?
Only 2 hours.
Only 2 hours. So you mean distance education, yeah?
Yeah.
And I'm going to be your teacher.
Sadly.
Sadly, you're lucky you can have me.
Yeah.
I'll be a cool teacher.